A woman about an hour ago drove straight through a National City bar.
Yeah, 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala is live at the scene. And Mimi, the driver saying she got confused.
Yeah, Jim, Virginia, apparently she got confused. She was reversing and continued reversing straight into the building. Paul's going to zoom in and show you that the car is actually still inside right now. This is the National City Sports Lounge. There's quite a bit of a police and firefighter presence out here this morning. We do have some video to show you a little closer inside from our 10 News breaking news tracker. You can see that the woman completely drove through this bar. There is extensive damage. We've been told that the building has been compromised. A building inspector is out here this morning making sure that everything can be deemed structurally sound, but the car won't be towed out until it is deemed safe, so nothing does collapse. It has been red tagged for now. The owners will be notified. I do want to mention that the driver was given a field sobriety test and she did pass, so police say there was no DUI. We're going to stay out here on the scene, continue to gather some more information and bring that to you on later editions of 10 News. For now, we're live in National City. Mimi Alcala, 10 News.